Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. It's me, Evan. So guys, आज जो हम कार रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं बहुत स्पेशल है मेरे लिए, आप लोगों के लिए और अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए, बिकॉज द कार टुडे हम लोग रिव्यू लंदन टेक्सी 2011 मॉडल DX4 वर्जन. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This car is special for me because this is the first imported car which I'm going to make a review, and this car is special for you all because this car is for sale. I'm going to talk about its features and sale details in this video, so stay tuned. And with that, this car is special for our Pune city because this is the first London taxi which came to India, and that also in Pune city. And the main highlighting thing of this car is the SBS logo. You can see that stands for Subhash Banas Car Collection. You might know him, Mr. Subhash. He is a vintage car collector. He is having a museum of car. He is having all rare cars and modern cars too. I'm going to make its video soon. If you have any information of his museum, you can comment down in this video, or you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. My accounts have been highlighting on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this car.
Car is in a retro design and attract enormous attention. On the front you get the London Taxi Company's logo, a huge chrome grille, and on the left side of the car you get these headlights which remember me of the old Bentleys. These are the fog lights and the indicators of the car. So this is how it looks from the front side. I like this shape of the bonnet, curved from both the sides, which gives a cool look to this chrome grille. It gets highlighted by it. Let's open its hood. This is the engine bay of the car, a small and compact engine. Here you get the LTIM in the London Taxi Company. This is how it looks. Let's close it. Talk about its left profile. These are its tires. Its tire size is 16 inches tires, alloyed wheel. Guys, here are 6 bolts given. I think so they are for design. This is how it looks from the left side in blue color. You get chrome handles here, not body color. And this is the rear look of the car. The car is quite lengthy from the back also. You can see the antenna is placed at the upside at the rear of the car. Here you get the London Taxi Company's logo, and here is the London Taxi from the collection of Subhash Banas. This means a lot for this car, guys. This is the back wiper, and here you get the spray. These are tail lamps of the car. All bulky finish is given here. Here you get TX4's badging, and this is the exhaust of the car. With that, this is the key of the car. Now let's open its boot. Okay, here we go. This is its boot. Such a small boot. You will remember the Mr. Bean's car boot. Yes guys, आप सभी को वो याद आ जाएगा. मिस्टर बीन की कार में ऐसी बूट थी, छोटी सी. It's a very small boot, and it just have a tire, spare tire. So this is how it looks from the right side. Here also you get Subhash S. Banas vintage and classic cars. This car is from a very huge vintage car collection of Mr. Subhash Banas. That's why it is a very rare car, we can say, and a superb and awesome looking car also. So let's get into its driver side. about its door side, here you get two buttons for windows and lock and unlock. Here is some storage space, but not much is given. On the driver side you get an extinguisher here, and here you get a button to open the hood of the car. An accelerator and brake pedals are given. This is the steering of the car. LTI means London Taxi International badging is given. And this is then center console dashboard. These are two AC vents, functions for the light, two functions for the light and two functions for the defogger. And with that, this you can open the or on the parking lights like this. It goes. This is the radio of the car, and here are some controls for the AC. Here you get a 12-volt charger, and this is the automatic transmission of the car: parking, reverse, neutral and drive. Here is the handbrake, and these are the functions to control the rear windows of the car. With that you get some storage space here also, and this is the cup holder or a bottle holder also, we can say. A bottle can fit in this. This is the armrest for the driver. Let's talk about its left side, the co-driver side. There are no co-driver seats given in this car, but these are fitted externally. And this is the rope given for the driver, so that without stepping out of the car he can control he can close the door of the sub driver. So this is the interior of the car. Let's turn on this car like this. There it goes. It is having a manual. Let's get into its rear side. This is the rear of the car. You get two passenger seat. Let's close the door first of all. The rear is very much comfortable. Here you get the speaker and microphone, so that you can talk to the driver and the driver can also talk to you. And here you get two grab handles on the right side and the left side of the car. Here are the 4 AC vents placed. 2 more seats are given here, 1 and 2 more seats. And on the left side of the door you get one button, so you can operate the microphone of the car, so you can talk to the driver. And this is for the lamps, and this is to on the AC, and this is the amount of AC speed you want. And this is for the windows, so the window can be opened. Yeah, like this it is. Here you get an ashtray also, but guys, don't smoke, it's injurious to health. And here you get a space, so you can pay for your whatever travel you have done to the passenger from here only. एक व्हीलचेयर रैम्प भी मिल जाता है. इस कारपेट को हटाते ही you can access to the ramp. Just putting this key like this. Yeah, by just putting it on, you can just access to the wheelchair ramp. Yeah, it is like this. Let's keep it back. It is very easy to keep it. We have to just fold it like how it was, and then push it. There we go. It is quite easy to access.
This car is available at Lujo Auto Park. This is the London Taxi 2011 model TX4 variant. This is a premium car. You want to know more details, you will get in the description box. And if you visit the Lujo Auto Park, you can contact Mr. Ajit. He will help you out about this car. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, guys. And comment down which more brands you want the videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.
Lucy.